traders, and a happy Easter to everyone watching, especially the ones celebrating this season. I hope you had a good trading week last week. It was a good one for me as well. Last week the weekly ranges weren't that wonderful, maybe pertaining to where the global crisis is headed now. But we have some amazing setups coming up for this week. We hope that the coming week would bring out some wild weekly ranges for good trading opportunities. Let us go over what we had on the watch list for last week before we come on to what we have for this week. So last week on the watch list we had the GBPUSD already on the screen, the GBPJPY, and the NZDUSD. So for the GBPUSD, I was expecting a break below this support level or a break above this resistance level too before formulating a trade idea, but the break never came. It remained within the range throughout the week. For the GBP I was bearish as long as the price remained below the support of this wedge, but then my bearish confirmation would only come below this line, where with this line too the break never came. It actually followed through with the GBPUSD to remain up. It actually broke above the resistance level that I also had my eyes on, but then it didn't really take off. I kind of got into a trade that didn't move to end the week. For the NZDUSD, which met the least likely expectation I was looking at, I was also bearish below this wedge, but then the break below this line for confirmation never came. However, the break above this downtrend line came, and the NZDUSD stayed bullish throughout the week, so it was kind of like my pick of the week. So for the coming week, the trades that are on, the trade ideas that are on are the EURNZD, the NZDCHF, and the GBPCHF. Starting with the EURNZD. Over here, we have a market that has been trending down steadily since the middle of March after this heavy fall. So out of this steady trending down, we have a chart pattern which is actually a falling wedge. This one basically presents as where simple trade idea. As long as the EURNZD is trading within the market structure, there won't be much to do. The trade idea would only come if we have a break above the resistance of the wedge or below the support of the wedge on a 4-hour time frame basis. That is it for the EURNZD. The NZDCHF is a counterpart of the EURNZD. They correlate, but then the correlation is negative. So we can see that once we have this falling wedge on the EURNZD, automatically we have also some sort of rising wedge on the NZDCHF due to the negative correlation. Similar to the former trade idea, a break above the resistance of this wedge will dictate the direction of the NZDCHF, and a break below the support of this wedge would also dictate the direction of the NZDCHF to go bearish. But then as long as it remains within the structure, it is neutral. For the GBPCHF, which is also neutral at the moment, 2 weeks ago I had a trade idea on this, and this very level was a resistance which got broken, and now it is currently acting as support. So in the coming week, we can see that last week's range was sort of tight, so it didn't take off that much. So the trade idea for the GBPCHF in the coming week is just a break of the weekly range. So we have support over here at the 1.19019, and resistance also comes in at the 1.20928. So in the coming week, a break of the resistance or a break of the support on a 4-hour time frame basis would also determine where the GBPCHF is headed next. It's actually a week of simple trading ideas. That is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week.